Hello students, today we are going to learn about capacity. The amount of liquid that a vessel can hold is called its capacity. The bigger vessel holds more liquid and the smaller vessel holds less liquid. Now tell me, which holds more and which holds less? Well, the bottle holds more and the cup holds less. Likewise, tell me, which bottle holds more, and which bottle holds less? Well, the yellow bottle holds more and the blue bottle holds less. Now, do you know that there are standard vessels to measure liquids from 50 milliliters to 1 liter and more? And do you know that 1 liter equals 1000 milliliters? Here we have a 100 milliliters vessels and a 200 milliliters vessels. How much milliliter does it contain altogether? Well, it contains 300 milliliters altogether. Likewise, we have 2 liters, 1 liter, 100 milliliters and 200 milliliters vessels. How many liters does the vessels hold altogether? Well, altogether it contains 3 liters 300 milliliters. Lastly, we have 200 milliliters, 400 milliliters and 500 milliliters vessels. How many liters does the vessels hold altogether? Well, altogether it will contains 1 liter 100 milliliters. Well, this is all for capacity. Thank you.